All right. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, and parents, and siblings, and family members, and people who are just walking by and we're like, hey, what's going on up here? So we're so glad that you could be here. Thank you for coming. The kids have been working very hard this whole week. We met on Monday and sat down and said, what play are we going to do? And they created this play. They've also done all of their characters and all of their costuming and their props. So they have worked very hard to bring a play for you today. So without further ado, it's my pleasure to introduce Bug Wars, The Rise of the Birds. Thank you. Curtain.
What a beautiful day this is. I love the flowers. I love the water. Nothing could ever go wrong.
Hear ye, hear ye. Darth Lizard has sent you a message that he is going to rule Green Patch.
Oh no, we must go tell the others.
Wait, you want to come back? No. Now that oh wait, did you do the message? Did you tell them? Yes, sir. Okay, good. All right, good. Okay, now that I am king, I'm going to need a throne of some sort. You got any ideas, Stormy? What about you go sit on a rock? Too big, too clunky, it doesn't move around. I need something better. What about Yertle? Ah, yes, Yertle the turtle. Very good idea. All right, let's go.
What a beautiful day it is in Green Patch. It smells so good, and I love the smell after the lawn is mowed. Guys! What? Darth Lizard is trying to take over Green Patch. Darth who? Darth Lizard! Oh! You mean that lizard that lives over there under that dark and scary rock? Yes, that lizard! Oh, he's just a silly old lizard. He can't hurt a bug.
Silly old lizard, huh? Oh, no, you don't. You're coming with me. Enough. But he's the wrong color. Stormy, go get some gold paint. When I rule Green Patch, everyone will bow down to me. They'll bring me food, preferably McDonald's. And they will do my every command. They will obey me like the tiny bugs they are.
Sir.
Not now, Stormy. And they... Not now, Stormy. And they will...
Sir.
What is it?
Yertle escaped.
What? I can't hear you. Hey, where's the turtle? Let's go get him.
Oh no! Where's Yertle? I hope he's alright. I wonder what happened to him. What are we going to do? I know! Let's hire some ants! Ants? No, not that type of ants. Army ants! Dragonfly, you're the fastest. Go get some. Wait, what's that lizard's name again? Darth! Who has a name like Darth? That's silly! Lame. It's the ant recorded for duty. Oh, thank you. I'm so glad you're here. Our friend Yertle the turtle has been captured by the enemies. Always get their enemy. Wait, who is the enemy? Darth Lizard and Frog Trooper. Lizard the cricket?
I'm Cricket Skywalker, and I'm not afraid of no silly old lizard.
Well, we better go practice.
Did you find out anything?
Yes, sir. They are hiring a group of army ants to come and fight.
Army ants? Army ants? I can't eat that many. I already had a big lunch. Any ideas?
Why don't you go sit in a sunny rock and think about it?
Ah, yes, a rock. Very good idea. Let's see here. What about you?
I have a lot of family members. Maybe they can help.
Ah, yes, some family members. Yeah, army ants versus army ants. Very good idea. Yes, yes. Oh, yeah. Oh, go get him.
There he is!
Uh,
Why would you take our Yurgo, you ugly lizard face?
You use your tail is on the side of your head.
yeah,
Your tail is so long that you trip over it.
well, you're ugly. Your face is ugly, like an ugly face.
Whoa, your tail is scaly and dry like the desert.
Save me!
Stop it! If we want to survive these birds, we need to make a plan. Everyone huddle up.
Huddle up.
No! Get back here!
No, I refuse.
Hey, what about
to do-
working together?
What if we made a cat?
A cat?
No, not that type of cat. A puppet cat.
Ah. Where will you get the supplies?
His house.
Do you have a house?
I have a rod.
Do you have a house under the rock?
Yeah.
Get the supplies.
No, I don't want to waste my stuff.
If you want us to survive, you're gonna do it.
Fine.
Okay, you do that, and you need to play dead.
I have to play dead? What do you think I am, an actor?
But you're the handsomest.
Your face lights the world up. And you can lose your tail and pretend it's you.
Yeah, I am pretty great. Okay, I'm in.
Okay, everybody knows what they're doing?
Yes.
Yep. Okay, we got everything.
Yeah, nothing to see here.
Just got everything.
Okay.
Yeah, we got it.
Hey, where's the turtle? Did you lose him again, Stormy?
No, sir.
One of these days I'm gonna fire you.
Okay, enter act one.
Intermission.
All right. Act two.
Curtain.
fine, fine actors. Playing the role of Darth the Lizard is our own Kaleo Post. Playing the role of Yertle the Box Turtle is Ian Smiley. Playing the role of the Army Ant Captain is Caitlin Baltazar. Playing the role of Stormy Frog Trooper is Kai Post. Playing the role of Spricket Skywalker is Emmett Montgomery. Playing the role of the Chamberlain Ant, Annalie Brooks. Playing the role of Princess Butterfly is Evelyn Montgomery. Playing the role of Ladybug Princess is Audrey Walters. Playing the role of the Jumping Spider Princess, Blair Pritchard. Playing the role of the Dragonfly Messenger is Isla Smiley. And playing the role of the Caterpillar is Hadley Rich.